Hello everyone. Welcome to the presentation of Sparkflows at Scaling AI Summit. I'm Ken Mandel, Chief Product and Innovation Officer of Sparkflows. Today I will discuss how scalable self-service data-centric AI can solve some key business and organizational challenges. We all are living in uncertain times. Shifting consumer demands, changing market trends, and financial downturns, all leading to unprecedented challenges in retaining the share of wallet. The organizations are also facing challenges scaling out their use cases. There are numerous business scenarios, countless frameworks at variety of scale. There is very little reusability and collaboration among tools and teams. On top of that, there is a massive shortage of data science and data processing skills. So, all these issues, all these challenges are actually leading to the loss of market share for various industries. Let's dive into one such sector, consumer packaged goods. Interestingly, the consumer packaged goods is about to become a multi-trillion dollar business by 2026, but many companies in this domain are actually missing business opportunities and the customers are churning out due to various reasons, namely inability to assort products and market them in timely manner, inability to track and drive ROI, lack of end-to-end visibility and management of the growing number of use cases. On top of that, now there is limited budgets and the inflation situation. So let's now understand the key requirements of building a self-service analytics product which can address all of these challenges. The most important requirement is seamless scalability through all the different phases of the data journey. In order to scale out the ever growing vertical use cases, we first need to provide self service for handling massive amount of data from all the different sources. Next, the computation must be pushed to the different clusters. As petabytes of data are prepared, the feature engineering must also scale automatically with the data. So essentially, one needs an unified workflow which must scale the machine learning engineering processes like model development, deployment, and scoring alongside the feature engineering and data preparation. Overall, insight generation must also be fully integrated with this workflow. So, such single pane of glass self-service platform must empower the business users with unlimited scalability. And this is only possible if they are not locked into vendor specific proprietary algorithms or software, if they can get rid of the complexities and the dependencies of intricate data engineering stacks. Not only that, the solution need to run in an air-gapped environment with end-to-end observability and security. Such simplification and automation can only be achieved if we adopt open standard integrations. The development experience also needs to be very smooth, and that self-service platform must provide real-time debugging capability for big data and ML applications. And as these applications are being developed, the platform should offer repeatability, reproducibility, and interpretability of the different stages of data preparation and model building. It should allow the end users to templatize the domain knowledge so that it can be shared among different users. Another important characteristics of such system is the capability to protect the trade secrets and the domain expertise by allowing customer to extend the platform through customizations. And definitely it should provide all the enterprise grade features like users, roles, permissions, versioning, sharing, collaboration. On top of that, the business driven applications need full scale automations on top of all these end to end workflows, like, say, auto application development, auto exploratory data analysis, auto profiling, auto ML. All such augmented automations can help the business users to actually focus on developing the business use cases, while the automated processes can take care of all the big data processing complexities. In summary, such system can help the CIOs, CDOs and CFOs grow their business in their respective domains. Okay, so now I would like to present a product which satisfies all such technical requirements. Welcome to Sparkflows Fire Insight, the most scalable and secure multi-persona self-service data-centric AI platform. As this picture depicts, this platform consists of intelligent vertical solution builder capability, which actually enables actionable insights, automated profiling, automated remediation, analytical apps development, workflow orchestration, auto ML, model retraining, auto feature engineering, on top of 340 plus pre-built data and AI Lego blocks and 200 plus pre-built solutions. The goal is to simplify the entire development experience and empower all the different personas, including data engineers, data scientists, business users, and data analysts. And the way it achieves its goal through extensive automation, which actually empowers the user with automated advanced visualization. It helps the user to collaborate all the workflows and the insights which are generated through these processes. The data engineers, data scientists, in turn, can focus on designing, developing, and debugging this workflow using the no code Lego blocks. And then the workflows can be shared, scheduled, customized within the teams. Let's look into the Fire Insights landscape. This platform consists of a very lightweight platform, and it requires a metadata repository to store all the different types of configuration information about the artifacts. As explained earlier, like, it has deep integration with all different types of data lakes. It supports a huge number of connections, and it scales with petabytes of data. It provides all these enterprise grade features like access controls, integration with open standards, collaboration through GitHub, automation, and CI CD. And all the computations of the workflows are actually pushed down to the target clusters. It supports all the different types of environment like Databricks, Azure, Cloudera, Kubernetes, AWS EMR, Google Cloud Platform. Sparkflows as a self-service platform has delivered immense business values. It is powering advanced analytics at a major CPG brand where the company has actually achieved 10x more business use cases. It has enabled 15x more users. Sparkflows providing analytics studio at a major business analytics firm where the company has achieved 25x more reusability and 10x more customizability. In a nutshell, an enterprise on an average achieves 30x more ROI through extensive operational cost saving. Sparkflows is uniquely positioned to serve the market demand for the self-service analytics. According to IDC, 80% of the organizations will replace the walled garden IT as an enabler model with a self-service model. And as per Gartner, nearly half of the finance executives actually going to adopt self-service data analytics to boost the overall productivity. Sparkflows is the only platform which actually supports multiple persona and addresses the requirements at different stages of the company as per the different groups, and it supports the multi-tenancy in an extremely scalable fashion. Now let's look into some of the core features of Sparkflows. Like we mentioned earlier, it supports huge number of connectors and also different types of file formats. Overall, it also supports like a good number of connectors for data preparations. For example, one can easily drag and drop and perform join, union, filter, data time, parsing, data cleaning, math, string, split, coding, and add different type of branching conditions, groups, etc. The self-service data preparation capability is extremely powerful. Alongside, Sparkflows provide more than 80 plus self-service ML drag and drop no-code Lego blocks. The self-service insight generation capability allows the end users to quickly drag and drop various types of outputs from the workflows so that the reports can actually generate insights against petabytes of data. It also supports multiple deployment environments like including Databricks, AWS EMR, Azure, Cloudera, Google Cloud, just to name a few. So what are the core benefits of Sparkflows? It's extremely quick and seamless to deploy and to scale. It's easy to use and collaborate. It can help achieve 20x faster use cases. Now let's jump into the live demo. Here we'll first look into the dashboard of the projects. We'll actually dive into a specific type of industry sector, that's CPG, and Sparkflows actually comes bundled with lots of packaged business solutions. Say over here, we are looking into CPG churn prediction, CPG on-shelf availability, CPG demand forecasting, customer segmentation, sales quality forecasting, and customer lifetime value prediction. Let's now dive deeper into one specific use case, that is customer segmentation. Customer segmentation can help a particular company to target their campaigns a specific set of audience to maximize the ROI. Now, in this specific example, we are using open source data, which includes campaign descriptions, the coupon descriptions, coupon redemptions, the user transactions, and various demographics information. Very first thing that we perform using the workflow, we actually explore the data set, which provides quick insights into the summary statistics, column cardinality, the null values in columns, distributions of sales values using histogram, correlation matrix, skewness, and kurtosis. For example, once we actually develop a particular type of workflow, like we see over here, by dragging and dropping various types of Lego blocks, we'll also look into a quick video after a couple of these presentations. Now, as we see in this specific workflow, user can not only use all these no-code Lego blocks, but they can also specify the documentation and document all the different steps. So in this specific case, like we are joining with different types of data sets, and we are calculating the skewness and kurtosis, and also finding out different type of statistical distributions and actually generating the visualizations. For example, this particular visualization actually provides some insights about the types of households which are making maximum number of transactions, and also like we can find out what is the expense or the expenditure range of the people, so that we can further categorize the people based on the spending behavior. Another interesting workflow that we can design is data enrichment. So, based on the transactions data, we can actually further generate multiple types of fields, uh, like say manufacturer coupon discount, campaign coupon discount, total coupon discount, in-store discount, from the normalized data set. Now, once the new fields are computed, we can actually create features which could be useful for model developments. The features could be like certain types of aggregated value based on the different types of discounts that are actually availed of by the customers. Finally, using all these kind of computed features, we can actually create a clustering model. We can use our existing pre-built algorithms to create the model, and as well as we can actually evaluate the model. So these are the all the basic workflows that we have discussed for customer segmentation. Now, Sparkflows actually offers a very powerful feature called business application. So the business users can create analytical apps on top of this existing workflows. So here we are actually looking at a particular type of analytical app which has already been designed by say a data analyst or a data engineer by leveraging the existing workflows that we have just looked into. Now, as the business user actually tries to trigger this particular type of app or run this particular business application to solve certain business problem, the person can actually configure the different types of input values that will be applied to those workflows. Now, once these particular type of business applications or business reports are executed, um, the business users can now take business decisions based on the insights which are generated. Say, for example, here we are looking into three different types of clusters based on the purchase behavior. And we observe that the average count of coupons redeemed by customers is highest for the third cluster and lowest for the second cluster. Similarly, we observe the average count of campaigns targeted to the customer is highest for the third cluster and lowest for the second cluster. And we have a similar type of observations for the in-store discounts as well. Now, for the in-store discount, of course, we see that the first cluster actually dominates the second cluster. So overall, we can actually decide that the campaigns are not effective for the first cluster as the customers did not take advantage of the campaign coupons and avail of more in-store coupons. So maybe the marketeers need to devise a different strategy for targeting the people within the first cluster. With that, we will conclude our session, and the key takeaways from this session is again, Sparkflows is very easy to use and collaborate. It's extremely quick and seamless. It can enable more users and help people actually gain the data science skill on the job and implement more use cases at faster rate while abstracting out all the complexities of big data processing. And it can run seamlessly on a variety of environments. Last but not the least, it can automate the insight generation process and help take powerful business decisions which can drive the ROI. So, thank you everyone. Please feel free to try Sparkflows by downloading it directly from the website or from the AWS Marketplace and visit the documentation page. We also have various video tutorials in YouTube. So, thank you everyone for joining the session today.